Hey y'all, Isabella from the Etsy team here. Today, we're talking about listing variations. Adding listing variations make it easy for shoppers to see all of the options you offer for a given listing. And linking photos to those variations means that shoppers can feel confident about which option they're choosing. Let's get started with listing these screen printed shirts, which come in different ink colors and sizes. You've uploaded up to 10 listing photos, including a photo of each color variation available, and describe your shirt designs in your listing details section. Under the inventory and pricing section, you'll describe what you have in stock and how much each option costs. Because your pricing, quantities, and SKU depend on the variation, start by clicking Variations. You can add up to 2 types of variations for each listing. In this case, we'll be adding primary color and size. Select your first variation and add each of the ink colors you offer from the drop-down menu. Since some of the colors cost different amounts and you have different amounts of each color in stock, check each of these boxes. Now, add your second variation, including each of the sizes you offer. Since size also determines quantity and SKU, check these boxes again, and click Save and Continue. This table allows you to easily enter in all the prices, quantities, and SKUs for the different options that you offer. Clicking the checkbox at the top left of the variations table and selecting Update Price or Update Quantity will allow you to update your variations more quickly. Since you don't offer the silver ink on the shirts below size small, you can hide those options by using the visible toggle on the right side of the table. This doesn't mean extra small shirts with silver ink will be shown as out of stock. It means you never offer them, so they won't appear as an option to buyers. If an item is temporarily out of stock, set the quantity to 0. If none of the provided variation options apply, you can create a new custom variation for your listing from the drop-down menu. Keep in mind, for peak discoverability, it's best to choose from the suggested variations, since buyers aren't able to filter their results based on custom variations. If you offer more than 2 item variations, use the personalization on-off toggle to let shoppers request a personalized touch on the item before they check out. Based on the instructions you provide for the personalized item, shoppers can add their details straight from the listing. Once you've added all the variations you offer, you can link photos to your variations. Giving shoppers more details in the form of great photos means fewer questions about your different variations and less time spent trying to explain each option in your listing description. Any photo you've uploaded to your listing can be linked with any of your variations. While editing a listing, go to your variations section and click Link Photos. Then choose from your existing listing images. If you want to upload a new image of one of your variation options, you'll need to add that to the listing first, and then link it to the variation. Next, you'll add your shipping options for the listing. Finally, click Publish to make your listing live to buyers and to see your variations in action. When your buyers visit your listing, they'll choose the option they want and watch the price adjust. For more information about listing variations and other new tools, visit etsy.me/variations. We hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.